I think the industry has needed a new standard for a very long time. The craft of real estate, I think, has been diminished greatly. It's fairly easy to get your real estate license, and I don't think enough people understand the difference between someone who has a license and real, true professionals in this business.
We did so much research, and what I found was that most brokerages don't have it all. Software, systems, processes, and we want to offer the best of the best to everybody.
Most brokerages have diluted what they stand for. Something like 53% of agents last year did fewer than one transaction. That means zero. 53% of licensed realtors sold no homes last year. As a buyer or seller, how do I know I'm getting somebody who actually knows what they're doing and is going to protect my best interest? It's the largest financial purchase or sale you're going to make in your entire life. You should have somebody who is an expert, an elite at what they do.
For me, I don't see an elite agent as someone who sells hundreds of houses a year or millions of dollars in volume in homes a year. I see an elite agent as someone who's able to maximize their lifestyle. They chose to be a real estate agent, and most real estate agents wake up every day and just hustle, hustle, hustle. But I think an elite agent is somebody who can prioritize what's most important so that they're living a life that they've designed, and then maybe one day actually be able to retire and not die on the front doorstep opening up a lockbox.
For a lot of our clientele, it is generational wealth, right? These are iconic properties that are part of a portfolio of wealth. But residential real estate, you have memories, you have life moments, you have a property that maybe you grew up in that your family's given to you. So you have a business transaction wrapped in so much emotion.
Privé Haus can help you if you're selling a piece of land for $50,000 to a $30 million estate in horse country.
People who work with Privé Haus are getting authentic professionals who care about every part of this transaction, care about them, their family, and the wealth they're building through real estate.
We have a fantastic track record of selling homes for the most amount of money that the market will bear and guiding buyers the right way. Like, we're not afraid to tell a buyer, don't buy that house, let's keep looking.
Boutique brokerages have a space because we can do things at a faster pace and a more customer-centric level than any big brand can. As long as you're focused on what the customer's best interest is, there will always be a path that opens to you to follow to find the best way to get them to the best result. Clients
want the best of the best. After all of these years in the business, I've realized that it's who, not how, over and over and over again.